Let's come to the baby now. So for the developing baby and the fetus, what are the parts which are developing in the second trimester? So what is the importance should be given towards the needs of the growing fetus now?
So by the end of the first trimester, structurally every organ is in place. Okay, so the beginning of the growth is already there. As I mentioned in the last podcast, the sex organs also have been finalized around the 10th week. Okay. Now this is a part where each organ is getting more and more specialized, and the structural defined structure is getting formed. Till the baby is ready to be born. So for us, one important test that we do in the second trimester is the malformation scan or the congenital anomaly scan, which is done on somewhere between the 18th and the 20th week.
Okay.
And that is the time when the sonologist will look at the baby from head to toe in very much detail, whether the entire, how the brain looks, the face, the bones, the heart, the lungs, the liver, the kidneys, the intestines, the skin, the hands, feet, toes. Everything is scanned in detail to detect if at all there are any kind of abnormalities. So that is how slowly by that time the development is almost that complete. So it's like, it's a mini human being which is already formed by the 5th month. And then, of course, it's about the maturity of the organs. And sometimes if there is any kind of problem in the heart suspected, then we also do a fetal 2D echocardiography, which is done around the 6th month. If there is any suspicion of, those kind of changes. And once the structural, anatomical structures are developed, then slowly the functional part of it also starts. So essentially the fluid which is around the baby, which is the amniotic fluid, is basically a large part of it is fetal urine. So the baby is getting all the nutrients from the mother through the placenta, through the umbilical cord. It is utilizing them, and then it is excreting the urine, which becomes the fluid around which it is floating. So a lot of certain tests we do by tapping into the amniotic fluid. We can get information about the baby's health by looking at that as well. So that is how the baby develops. And then if there are any issues which are, being there with the baby, is the time when we decide whether these issues can be dealt with. That means, are they compatible with life and a good, healthy baby?
Okay.
If they are not, then that is the kind of the last time when we have a chance, if at all you want to not go ahead with the pregnancy. But otherwise, that's how we monitor the baby. And the senses wise, of course, the baby has already started moving. By 6th month, the hearing organ also starts developing. So the baby can actually listen to what the woman is saying, okay, the environment around her. And that's where, all our chanting and storytelling and music is going to help and affect the baby's emotional health as well. Just as we absorb things from our environment, the baby is also going to absorb things. Then slowly the sense of light also will be, developed. So the baby will be able to kind of feel light after the 6th, 7th month. And then the movement. So when you touch the abdomen, so all these different senses, the sense of touch, all these are going to progressively come into the picture. Then the sense of taste, even that, because the baby is swallowing things. So whatever you eat, the baby can react to it. Wow. So all these things can happen. So much, the baby and the mother are connected with each other.